Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good, good day, everyone. My name is Renaldi Tulpi Pradana, and today I'm gonna present my critical reading project titled A Critical Reading Analysis of Student Short Role in Student Reading Motivation and Cognitive Engagement. This presentation will discuss the article I analyzed, the assumption I found, the metacognitive process I apply, and the key lesson I learned. Okay, this is the article I review. This study explore how YouTube Short as a form of short digital content can influence student motivation and engagement in reading activities. The authors argue that short video might not only entertain but also stimulate curiosity and make reading more interactive and relevant for today's digital generation. Okay, implicit assumption. The first assumption is students share and clarify findings from exploration, supporting their explanation with evidence. Teachers guided the discussion to consolidate key concepts. The second assumption, one form of progress in science and technology is the availability of YouTube as a learning medium to expand knowledge and provide innovative ideas for students. YouTube serves as a tool for conveying messages to viewers and is currently the most popular video sharing platform, allowing users to upload, watch, search, and share video clip for free. Okay, metacognitive application in my critical reading process. The first, monitoring, being aware of how my attention and comprehension shift when reading digital related topics. The example, I notice I skim like student watching short videos. Okay, the second one, evaluating, assessing the author's reasoning and evidence about digital habits and reading motivation. The example, I question whether YouTube short truly decrease reading interest or if it depends on how teachers integrate it into learning. The third, regulating, adjusting my understanding by connecting the article discussion to my own reading experience and prior studies. I relate the idea of short attention span to my own study habits and use strategies like annotation and reflection to stay. Okay, which article did you choose and why? I choose this article because it connects the concept of digital literacy with reading motivation and cognitive engagement rather than just social behaviors. Unlike studies focusing only on TikTok social influence, this research offers insight into how short video affect student mental processing and reading stamina, which are crucial for literacy development in the digital age. What was the most important thing that you learned from the text you choose? The most important lesson I gained from this reading is that student digital behaviors significantly influence their learning outcomes. YouTube Short can serve as a creative entry point for students who are less motivated to read, helping them connect with educational content in a more visual and interactive way. Okay, next. What additional thought or question came to mind as you were reading and thinking about this article? As I read the article, I began to question how far YouTube should extend beyond social interaction into the academic and linguistic domain of elementary students. As I reflect on the reading, several questions came to mind. First, how does exposure to short form content affects children attention span and reading habits? Second, can the interaction in TikTok comment section reveal something about their critical thinking skills? And finally, could digital literacy education transform TikTok into a platform that support learning rather than distract from it? This question, I think, open possibilities for future studies, especially in the context of elementary education. Okay, this is the reference. Conclusion. To conclude, critical reading was helped me go beyond the surface of the text, not just understanding what the author said, but questioning what they imply. It trained me to identify assumption, evaluate evidence, and reflect on broader implication. Overall, I learned that TikTok, like any other media, can either support or harm literacy development depending how it is used. Okay, I think that is all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.